I think it's very important that students encounter real language, authentic texts, authentic lectures and so on. So we've tried to build that into the course. The other thing that we've used is the Cambridge academic corpus, and this is a large collection of texts that we've drawn on in various ways to make sure that examples are real and that what we're saying does actually reflect academic language in use. Of course, it's challenging for students and sometimes teachers to be working with authentic texts. And what we've tried to do is to give students the necessary skills to help them to deal with authentic texts. So, for example, in listening to lectures, one of the things that lecturers tend to do in authentic lectures is to use various strategies to help students to focus on key information by repeating, rephrasing and so on. So equipping students with skills to cope with authentic texts like lectures and reading texts and so on is an important part of the course. One way we tried to get at students' needs was to actually ask the students themselves. So we interviewed a number of students, international students mainly, who were studying at British universities, and talked to them about the challenges they faced at university, and the good things that they encountered at the university. And you can see extracts from these interviews at various points during over the three course books. We were lucky enough to have access to three corpora from Cambridge. There's the Cambridge academic corpus, a corpus of about the written texts amount to about 400 million words. There's also a smaller corpus of spoken language made up of lectures and seminars, mainly, about 1 million words. And then also we looked at a corpus of students writing from IELTS papers, so that was useful too. And I suppose essentially we've used the corpora to do a number of things. I mean, one is to check our own intuitions about language. I mean, obviously we all have intuitions about how language works, but it's useful to check it against real data. To some extent, uncover new information about how language is used in academic contexts. It's useful also as a source of examples. And in looking at the corpus of students writing, we're able to pick out some examples of problems that students have, and we can focus on those. So a couple of examples would be things like the use of tend, trend and tendency, which is obviously it's common language in academic contexts, but causes problems for students. Another one would be people, person, peoples, which is confusing. Well, I think the most important thing about the course is that it's helping students develop the necessary skills to deal with real academic English. So we have real texts, we have access to the Cambridge academic corpus, and that puts us in gives us a great opportunity to help students in that way.